Just building on what Monique said, you really have to understand where and what your data is in order to think about a way to optimize your computing environment. We see organizations, agencies back up lots of data that they don't need to be backing up. Data that is very old, data that is the backup is a duplicate of data that's already been backed up, and then everybody continues to pay for that storage. So we like to think about ways to really optimize storage through storing the data you really need to store, but that means you need to know where it is, you need to know what it is. So you need metadata around your backups. You need metadata around the data that you're storing across the enterprise. So being able to visualize where it is, understand what it is, gives you a lot of information so you can make really good decisions. I'd say I just add one other piece of this. We got into this sort of situation with lots of data centers and lots of duplicative capabilities because we made decisions at lower levels in our agencies. And when I worked in government, we tried to always bring up the conversation to the department level with willing participants, right? Because once you can have a broader conversation and people can understand what's in it for them by moving to an enterprise data center as opposed to some computer closet or small operation they run, they could start to see the opportunities for cost savings, and as long as you can provide a good service, you have willing participants. And I think as long as we continue to have that broader conversation, we get people to go along with us. The process of just saying you must come and you got to be there by Tuesday with all your data, that doesn't result in the best solution in my experience.
Sure.